Alright, boys and girls, please turn to your companion booklet, page 14, and we're going to go through the answers for passive voice. Now, in this worksheet, you need to remember that the subject needs to agree with the verb. So, sweet wrapper is actually a singular subject, so it has a singular verb. Okay, sorry, the arrow should be pointing here. Alright. Okay, then now we have children. So children is plural subject. So we have followed by a plural verb are. Okay, so let's take a look at the first question here. The subject here, 1.26 million tons of paper waste. Alright, now this one is countable. Okay, so since we can count it and it's plural, we say were. Alright, and since it is something that happened in the past, we use the word generated. Okay, now what about the second question? Just imagine how much paper. Okay, paper is actually in this case not countable. Alright, so we'll use the singular verb. So how much paper is, alright, discarded by an office every day if each worker prints his or her email. Okay, alright, so let's look at question 3. Make sure that both sides of your paper. Now, both sides of your paper means two sides, right? So we can, this is the plural subject. So we use a plural verb, which is are. Right? Now, why don't we use were? Is because this is like an instruction. Okay? It's not something that happened in the past. So we use the present tense. So are used. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the next one. Do you know how many trees? Alright. Okay, so the word trees is the subject. So, are cut down. Now, there's no such word as cutted. Okay, so we use cut down. Okay. Okay, so the next one. If deforestation. Now, deforestation is the subject. It is not countable. Alright, so deforestation is not stopped. Okay, we will lose our forest very soon. Okay, so let's take a look at the next question here. Now, I assume that you have all read the question, so I will go right into looking for the subject. Okay, so this subject here is referring to what? Alright, this widely practiced. It must be something that is practiced. So what is the practice over here? Okay, the practice is recycling envelopes. Okay, so recycling envelopes is then a practice, and this is one practice, so we have to use the singular verb. So this is widely practiced. Okay, so now let's look at next one. Receipts, plural subject, so plural verb. Are often, find becomes found. Alright, next one, it's singular subject, so singular verb. It is recommended that you visit zerowastesg.com for more practical ideas on how to reduce waste. Okay, now, so please do use arrows to point from your subject to your verb. Alright.